What's up, YouTube fam? Back here at the Shop Garage Whatever today, guys. We are working on the 2005 KX250. Guys, we got a lot of great parts that have showed up today for this bike. We're going to go over them real quick. We're going to tear this sucker down, get it ready for its awesome transformation. You know how we do it over here at the Shop Garage Whatever. Got my brother with me here today. We're going to be putting in some work until the sun goes down. So let's freaking go. I'm excited. Got some awesome stuff from Rocky Mountain, Polysport. Don't want to give away too much because we are going to cover it all right now. Let's freaking go. All right, guys, we got two awesome shipments here from the boys at RockyMountainATVMC.com. You guys know who they are. The leading guys company in internet, motocross, ATV, and UTV, providing you all your aftermarket and OEM parts. Guys, they came through heavy for us on this one. We're going to get everything out, let you guys take a look. I can't thank any one of these sponsors enough, guys. Without the sponsors of London Mix, we absolutely could not do what we do, especially in the timely manner I try to get done for you guys. And that's why I enlisted the help of my brother here today. He made the drive about 4 hours with traffic. And they always pack this stuff so good too. So we got some awesome stuff to show you guys. I'm gonna get this all unloaded. We'll take a look. Guys, last but not least, always known for tossing out the best plastic on the market, best colors, best fitment, Polysport plastics. Guys, check out what they sent over, the 2021 replica plastic kit that is specifically designed to fit your 03 to 07 KX250 and 125 models. Guys, they sent us it in the fluorescent green, neon green. It looks super rad. Take a look. Alright guys, now that we got to take a look at a little bit of the parts we have coming for this thing, and that is just a very small amount of parts that we have coming for this bike. So you guys know the backstory on this thing, how much we bought it for. It's time to now tear it all apart because we're gonna go frame up on this thing. That's the only way we do it here at the Shop Garage Whatever. So I'm gonna throw you guys on some time lapse. We're gonna rip this piece of work apart, take a look at what we're really up against, vapor hone some things, but get the frame ready to send that out, because I ain't gonna tell you guys nothing what we're doing in the frame, but I guarantee it, you guys are gonna like it. Let's go. Alright guys, so the next move is load everything up. We're gonna head over to my buddy's house where he has a dustless blaster, which is I guess generically like a giant vapor hone, but I'll show you guys how it works, get all that paint off that frame, and show you our plan. So this is the plan, guys. We're just map gas treating all the welds. Get that nice works color going. Yes, I know some of you guys saying, hey, Cole Seeley did that. Well, honestly, guys, I thought about this for a long time, and when Cole did it, it just confirmed that, yep, I need to do this. So we are doing the map gas treatment on the welds, make it look like it's fresh out of the factory, just got welded together. So we're just doing a couple test areas right now. The metal wants to flash off really quick, so we've been working diligently to keep it clean and keep the rust flashing off of it. But this is now clear coated right here. You guys gotta like that. Come on, smash up that like button, guys. You know that that is absolutely sick. So we're gonna keep playing with this, but this is the direction we wanted to go, and I am super happy with it. We're gonna keep going at this. It's a lot of work, so let's go. YouTube fam, we are on day 2 of working on this frame. So after we got the frame, as you guys saw, the frame was very porous. That 30 grit was a little too rough for the frame. So we've been spending a lot of time. We were up until about 1:30 in the morning last night, hand sanding this thing. And finally today we broke down and went and got a DA for it. Something that's pneumatic powered that's just gonna make us go through this a lot faster. But anyways, so the goal is today, we wanna get the frame done, get all of the torch treatings, get it clear coated, vapor hone the motor, and start on the swing arm. Really start even putting this thing together. Got a lot to do. Stay in it, guys. Just stay with us. We're working on no sleep and a lot of caffeine. So let's go. My guys, this is gonna be bonkers. Well guys, what an amazing 24 freaking hours of shooting we did on this. I mean, it was pretty well beat. You guys saw it, but this 2005 KX250, it's getting a completely new beginning. So much still to come. Make sure you guys are subscribed, and thank you so much to all my sponsors. You guys, again, couldn't do this without you. I'm absolutely beat, going on no sleep. I'm tired, but guys, I'm still gonna go and put another 4 hours into post-production editing for this for you guys. So please give a like button, click. I would really appreciate it, because let's face it, these videos are free. I'm out here busting my butt for your guys' enjoyment, and I love what I do, and thanks to you, I get to do it for a living. So anyways, guys, from the shop, garage, whatever, this is Clinton and the KX250, and we will talk to you guys very, very soon. It's a promise. Peace out for now, as always.